Hearing this pee 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 on the phone.
हाँ वो करो, मुंह फुला लिया पीपी वाला.
ये पोज देखो. Shraddha with your pose.
Yeah, stay. I'll take 3 shots. Don't move. Stay. Stay.
मैडम तुसांज म्यूजियम है क्या?
Looking very stunning.
Don't look in the camera. Look somewhere else. Look there, maybe.
How many dialogues?
Nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
very nice.
To tell everyone what's happening over here, Shraddha.
Oh, obviously not. I can't.
No.
I'm showing them the whole manor house.
Suddenly I'll be like quiet. Go on mute. I take some close-ups also.
That's Arpit, and he's shooting us today at the manor house. And he's a great photographer. He's young and energetic. And Arpit, you can shoot. They want to see how you shoot. And he is shooting me today for my app, Via Sen Official. And that is Shraddha Dhal. She's from Kolkata. And she's the one who's done this entire place up. And it's so beautiful. And that is why we're shooting here today. That's her sexy face, feeling sexier than ever. And that's Arpit,
And there are pictures coming
who's
from
taking her
everywhere.
pictures instead of mine because she's sexier than me.
I'm very camera
That's
shy.
Shumon,
Only I can take her own pictures.
Rini,
Nobody is watching.
and Sanjay. Now can you shoot it? Just keep it on.
Ria, I think the food might come tomorrow.
Yeah,
Just
I
ask
also
Ashna.
think so.
I'm messaging.
He thought we were in Rajahar, that's why. Ready?
Look in the camera. No, this is too weird. Not like normal.
इतना big phone कैसे normal होगा?
Don't use the phone anymore, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Arpit,
Yes, sir.
this is a wrong shot. आपको कोई तो लग के रखेगा ना. Let her talk.
वाला shots बहुत मिल गया.
तो उसको रहने दो. अभी I have a shot. She has to sit here. Okay, just sit here in the beginning, middle. Get that, the clock.
Keep it going. I don't want to
Yeah, yeah.
this is what you said.
अच्छा, sand.
Nice props, but.
Yeah.
Very nice, yeah. Perfect props.
है ना?
Design a master shot.
Master.
Just design a
Sand.
master shot. Just come here. Okay.
If
उससे
anyone
उससे निकल
needs
जाओ.
any set direction in Kolkata for any shoots, please contact Shraddha Dhal. It's a fact.
Yeah. Why
Also in Goa.
Yeah.
Also in Goa. Also in
Also
Mumbai.
Goa,
Also in Goa.
Bombay, Bangalore,
Everywhere.
Delhi, everywhere.
I think Goa. She has to be there.
Yeah.
This is what
Yeah.
I think so. We'll shoot
She
in
gets
Goa.
the world
This-
just
for this,
like
we'll
that.
take it
I'm
with us.
so
Yes,
happy.
please. I would love
Yeah.
to.
See
Before
people,
so we can get
right?
this up.
But now
Is it
this
live?
Together.
Yeah, we are live.
And if it
I will love
us,
it. I will
she's
love
Okay,
it.
trying
start.
to do it.
I'm ready.
Super.
Can we start the
What is
shot?
it?
just
Rini's not happy. She's like, please
Yeah.
start shooting.
yeah. So just sit yes like that.
Lie down like this?
Yeah, lie down
Tights
like
को ऊपर
that.
कर लीजिए.
Okay.
Tights को ऊपर
Yes,
कर
he
लीजिए.
did.
Okay. Can you guys go and
Tights
help
को
her?
ऊपर कर लीजिए.
Okay.
तीसरी बार बोल रहा हूँ.
He's too
पीछे
worried.
में वो side में.
Okay. Can you just correct
इसको
what is
ऊपर
that?
कर
Is
दीजिए.
it live?
Yep.
Arpit, you're very funny. yaar. Today you're not leaving, na, Arpit?
Why?
Live.
Correcting this. Okay. Okay. I want. I'll just tell you that. Close up.
Shraddha, good idea?
What?
Night shoot
Yeah, I would love to do
in
it.
Goa
Yeah, because I'm there till April.
for the same thing. We're planning
Yeah. When?
in a month.
Please do it. Please, can you do it faster?
Depends on them.
And then
Let's do it.
Which
I
is
don't
the
mind.
one?
Huh?
Siobhan, you, me, Rani, that's it.
then
And in your house.
nice.
We'll be staying
Just
there
keep it,
and we can
keep it,
shoot
just
there.
one.
But you'll have to get some extra props. You've seen my house anyway, right? So you can use whatever's there. Just put it together and just help it.
I will do everything.
This is let it come. थोड़ा सा back में जाके.
Even
Can you
in
just
the-
move this?
Yeah, we'll do it.
Yeah, guys, fast.
Yeah, we'll do it.
In the pool also.
Just move this one.
With some bougainvillas and candles.
Should
Yeah,
we
then I'm gonna
take the curtains
from there.
over so that we eliminate that blue?
Real?
Yes.
I want to shooting on the
Terrace.
pool.
Rooftop.
Today, in the water.
Not water.
Today, fun in the water.
No,
Tomorrow.
not at all. No,
Take-
not at all.
Okay.
It is sitting.
Great.
I have idea. I'll just tell you.
Amazing.
Yeah. Just sit here.
Okay.
Okay.
Like how?
Just the way you know, like lie on bed.
Ow.
Okay.
Like that.
Just see here, and you're playing this clock.
So should I put in front of me?
Yes.
Can you turn a little like this?
Stand right now.
Turn ऐसे.
Can you just crumple it?
Yeah.
ऐसे.
नहीं.
First, उसको खींच दे.
Like this.
This is
Yeah, this.
perfect.
Yeah.
This is perfect. Okay, can you just give me one camera?
Take all this.
Okay, just take the shot.
So do you like this lighting?
No, I'm not liking this
Then?
lighting. Mood. Just get into the mood. Yeah. The real.
Isn't this very funny? The pillows and all, that's okay.
Pillow को straight कर देते हैं.
Like this?
नहीं.
ऐसी चाहिए.
इसमें funny क्या है?
अच्छा.
And take the video also. Take the video. देखिए अपनी से video ले लो.
Because I thought it was a lamp.
Look at the face.
Timer.
Look into the camera. Okay. Look longing. Just in your eyes. This is fine. Yeah.
Don't laugh, Anand.
Don't smile, please.
Show me.
Very nice.
This is a 1 minute timer. So if you have to know whether the minute is over, the stand has to
It's
still
more
flow.
like an entire year. Really, I did doing styling today. Yesterday she was frozen like a mannequin straight out of Taj Mahal.
Nice. Kind of. There's a trick. Here's the trick. Right. Good. Just earlier. Yeah, that's it. Be there. Right. Nice. This is the trick. Make it. Tick. This is good. Thank you so much.
Again.
Avi comes in and he's so specific and then runs away.
Again.
Can there be only one lot of hair?
Yeah. Show me one picture, Nandi.
अभी सही नहीं आ रहा, मैं लाइटिंग ठीक कर रहा हूँ.
सही अभी तक नहीं आया.
इसीलिए तो आप ही तो बोला.
ऐसे ठीक है.
हाँ, perfect.
I don't
नहीं,
feel like
ऐसे नहीं.
leaving in the morning, yeah.
Don't go, na.
रिया,
वो फोटोशॉप में हो जाएगा. मैं एक्सपर्ट हूँ.
आप लाइव
Please, you make- let me
आप
see.
लाइव हो. मेरे को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आई एम कूल.
Oh. They should know the real me too. पोजेस देने से
Can
पहले
it
दिखा
fall?
दो ना एटलीस्ट
ये थोड़ा casually रखा है
मंदिरा
ना
apart from this.
very nice shots but
Have you seen his camera?
yeah
Show me now.
Wait. One.
No, I cannot be posing like this in the can't see.
this phone is a bit jarring.
Show ना, I can't do that.
अरे मेरी माँ
पूरा फोटो सेशन करने के बाद दिखा रहे हैं. Very nice यार. इतना अच्छा हो गया. You've really become a good photographer.
हाँ
बोला क्यों नहीं कि
Wow.
क्या लड़की है देख लो.
Just
look at
I'm
him.
sorry, first time I shot with him, he was not very nice. Now he's become a genius and he's acting
listen
smart.
food is here.
Wow. Too good. Okay, now we take some. Now.
You want to show
Now you're happy.
this to your live viewers?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, listen. I don't care. Now we'll shoot better now that you showed
Yeah.
me. Come. Now I'm ready. You have to see, na?
Okay.
I'll study it when I watch.
No, you can't eat. Well, might as well
If
bring
I wasn't
banana.
traveling tomorrow, that's very nice.
Ready.
Wow.
Let's do this pose again. I'll
very
put my
nice.
stomach in. Okay, now I'm very ready. See. ये एंगल से नहीं करो ना.
वहाँ से
यहाँ
ये,
से
ये।
same वाला जो ठीक है संजय सर यस. Ready? इतना ready नहीं हो सकती. I'm holding for so long also.
Ready. Don't look in the camera, look somewhere else. Like super candid. Can we switch on these lights, please?
Switch on.
Yeah.
I think it's there behind the chair.
You think?
No, it has to be. has to be.
Where are these lovely portraits?
Fused. Because this is the switch. Could be fused.
It's too good, Shannon. It's
What? Yeah, this room is the chair and all. No?
Look here.
But the bed I need. My carpenter made it. Should I ask if this ticket can be posted? That guy is going to murder me.
Lovely. Look here. Got it.
Finally, Arpit has become a genius photographer. The first time I shot with him, he purposely made me look so bad. I don't
Camera always tells the truth.
Yes.
Action उनको देना है.
Should I see? Are we ready?
Okay, so you need to
Yeah.
stay at the center of the bed and keep your hands
Oh, अच्छा
like
अच्छा
this.
ठीक है. उनको बोलेगा मेरे को जल्दी से फोन करने के लिए.
Do you want to say something that you clicked a very bad picture before now?
Yeah, terrible picture.
Yeah.
Tell him.
Camera never lies.
What?
Camera never
So
lies.
his eye was bad earlier.
So relax.
That will be your light.
Like this.
Yeah.
Should we keep it
Yeah.
beside her maybe?
Yeah.
Yes, like
What I was thinking of something of casually, like not time.
How long are you here for?
I'm here now. 3-4 days.
Oh wow, so nice from here.
yeah.
Can we take this shot?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
The hair smooth. The hair was perfect.
ওকে বলো খিলুয়াটা তুলে নিতে ঠিক আছে নাহলে ঝাড়ু ঝাড়ু খাবে কপালে হ্যাঁ খিলুয়াটা যেন না আসে
Again.
ঠিক আছে আমি ফোন করতে
Stunning painting.
You're not in the dead center. I want you to shift to your left one step.
That round half.
Can we have some music?
Exactly, yeah, Shraddha. Why could you give us some music? It's your man.
How many radios play?
मैंने रेडियो नहीं सुनना.
There's ghazal happening in the other room.
Yeah, that's what we're going to be shooting.
So what song you like?
Eyes not popped out that much. Stay normal. Stay normal. Stay.
Oh, I love this one.
Yeah, you just hand up the slightly up.
I'll put it. I'll go for this.
Put another pillow. Just take the pillow up.
This is live, right? Okay. Take them also. Shraddha feeling sexy on the side.
And one guy is looking at her.
I think this is only our main shoot. Yesterday, right?
This is looking nice. Yeah. Yeah, relax. Relax. Yeah.
थोड़ा hot.
Yeah. Stomach. Yeah, stomach in.
On live.
Yeah, let so first one I was live. Yeah. Let's do something else.
This from side is looking horrible. Oh wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Can you do some teasing?
Time is in now.
Some teasing? Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay, now pose.
Good.
You'll be the first one to calculate to do this.
Oh, someone just commented. People are so good here around you. So sweet of him. No.
Can you have some teasing look in your eyes?
Oh no.
No.
This one.
Outside over there, and then decided that God just came from Jungle Book.
Eyes. That's right.
Oh God.
Yeah, while you're live. Coronavirus आएगा सबको. Stay.
Stay.
Don't move. Stand up, side से. Look that side maybe. That side.
To me.
This profile is better. Okay, cool.
What the fuck?
दिखा रहे
इंस्पिरेशन के लिए देखा है ना?
खुद से इंस्पिरेशन लोगे. वाओ.
नहीं, हाँ, obviously.
Side face again. Look here. Again.
Yeah, that's right.
Passport में ऐसा pose देते हो.
You have to keep a very straight face.
Can we change the position now?
Yeah.
Like,
I don't know how to use this one. Wow. Who did become artist? What happened? I'm telling you it wasn't. Why would I lie?
Okay.
Camera
Okay,
never
focus.
Now
Next
let's
one.
do it again. Now do it properly.
Next.
No, I'll do this properly now. See, once I see it, then you get it.
Okay, quick.
Stay. Can we move the sand side further?
The phone भी दे देना.
Inside or outside? Yeah. The song is very bad. Not going with it.
Not good.
Yeah.
Yeah, stay.
Stay.
Lovely. Lovely.
Yes, I was telling him now for the shots, which I was a fan. Hair dryer.
না ড্রাইভ চাই না এই
Dryer it.
কালকে শর্টের মধ্যে বলছিলাম না রাস্তাতে আকি জিনিস বের
Why don't you?
Okay, so let's do for the app. So you do that shoot.
you need to sell the selfie video where I'll show
Selfie video will do. Yeah, just show the
Look, I have the roll.
No roll is come, only biryani and stuff. You message me in the evening, okay, for Dhruv's house.
Okay, fine.
Bye.
Are you sure you're leaving? You're not gonna eat? Leave in 30 minutes.
No, I can't because I have to drive. By the time I get home, it will be 3:15. Chill with my parents for a bit, then that website guy will call me.
Okay.
Today's crazy, and I have to pack. Hello.
Should I do it live also?
We'll do the live, but you do.
I'll see you. Thank
Okay.
you so much. I'll message you. Bye. See you, Sanjay.
Yeah.
See you.
Bye.
I'll message you.
Bye. See you soon.
Bye.
Hi guys, this is Riya Sen and I'm shooting something really exciting today. It's special, unique content for my app which is called the Riya Sen Official, and I hope you all download the app and watch out for our new content which is going to be a lot of videos, pictures and just lots of special images only for you. So I'm waiting for all of you to download the app and give me your feedback, and for all of those people who've already downloaded my app, big thank you. Now we're going to continue shooting. Now we'll come take your interview.
No.
Now this is Arpit. Arpit? Yeah, tell me. So tell us a little bit about your shoot yesterday and today and tomorrow.
Yeah, I actually
He's feeling shy now in front of the camera, but he's actually not that shy.
Actually, I cannot disclose too much. So yeah, just download the app and go get
And
to
watch
see
his,
the-
and he's the main guy for like behind the scene who is clicking all these pictures of mine and making me look really nice. And he is only my photographer and nobody else's. He's not allowed, and anyone else who wants to be photographed by him has to give me a 25% commission. Either ways. So I